We back once again. That Ain't Rap Podcast. Subscribe, comment, like, share. Another unboxing we're doing this time from Silipint and Wincraft. Got some official NBA drink cups. New York Knicks. Let's go. Pick this shit up. Alright. Oh, this is fire. This is fire. Look at this. New York Knicks. And drink cups from Fanatics, Silipint, and Wincraft. I like these joints. I'm gonna definitely be drinking these joints tonight. I'm gonna use this joint when we beat the Spurs' ass. Knicks in 5. Definitely taking it this year. This is gonna be the official cup that I drink from now on. The official cups. Definitely. I'm loving them. They smell. They have like a painted smell to them. I don't know. Love the New York Knicks logo, all white with the basketball and the orange. Definitely fire. These are not even glass. It's not glass. It's not ceramic. Feels like rubber. I don't know. It's a weird smell. It's a weird surface to them. I think it's rubber, but these are dope. And they got a Silipint Wincraft. They got a website. They got a page on Instagram. Different teams. Atlanta. What else they got? Who else they got here? They got the Celtics and Bulls. All the NBA teams. You know what I mean? And they had a giveaway, and I won. And I got the Knicks just in time for the finals. Came in the mail today, and can't wait. Knicks in 5. San Antonio is done. This is payback. I'm taking the gold. The gold is coming back to New York City. Let's go. Salute to all the Knicks fans. Salute to Wincraft and Silipint NBA for these drink cups. I'm definitely enjoy this. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Peace. Let's go Knicks.